floor of the training academy. As today, a total of 457 officer cadets will volunteer to dedicate themselves to the sacred responsibility of grooming and molding our country's young and dynamic generation. It is indeed a proud moment for the parents, families, and the directing staff of the Officers Training Academy to see these learned men.
Bigland! Marker call! Punjab! Marker! Tere bhai gol! Tere bhai se! आगे बढ़ गए धन्यवाद मार्केट बाजो सस
नंबर 8 प्लेटून जूनियर डिवीजन 3rd ऑफिसर सचिन धीमन पंजाब हरियाणा हिमाचल प्रदेश एंड चंडीगढ़ डायरेक्टरेट नंबर 2 प्लेटून जूनियर डिवीजन ऑफिसर कैडेट राजेश कुमार शर्मा उत्तराखंड डायरेक्टरेट नंबर 3 प्लेटून सीनियर डिवीजन ऑफिसर कैडेट जितेंद्र सिंह उत्तर प्रदेश डायरेक्टरेट नंबर 4 प्लेटून सीनियर डिवीजन लेफ्टिनेंट करण सिंह यादव गुजरात डायरेक्टरेट नंबर 5 प्लेटून सीनियर डिवीजन लेफ्टिनेंट एमएस जादव महाराष्ट्र डायरेक्टरेट नंबर 6 प्लेटून जूनियर डिवीजन 3rd ऑफिसर असिंतो पंगे नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन डायरेक्टरेट नंबर 7 प्लेटून जूनियर डिवीजन 3rd ऑफिसर हरीश वाडीले मध्य प्रदेश एंड छत्तीसगढ़ डायरेक्टरेट नंबर 8 प्लेटून जूनियर डिवीजन 3rd ऑफिसर सुशांत आरांगले महाराष्ट्र डायरेक्टरेट
एडवांस कॉल पंजाब
90 दिन के कठिन परिश्रम के बाद आज ये अफसर कैडेट लेफ्टिनेंट अथवा थर्ड की गई है।
In this charged and exciting environment, under a clear blue sky, these impressive, in spite of their average age being 35 years, these officer cadets are fully prepared to shoulder the responsibility bestowed upon them. In order to enable themselves to become worthy of this responsibility, they have undergone 90 days of rigorous training at this academy. They are now going to be commissioned as lieutenants and third officers in the National Cadet Corps.
राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर अफसर प्रशिक्षण अकादमी भारत का एक अनूठा प्रशिक्षण संस्थान है, जहां स्कूलों, कॉलेजों एवं यूनिवर्सिटीज के शिक्षकों को सेना का कठोर प्रशिक्षण देकर राष्ट्रीय कैडेट कोर में एसोसिएट अधिकारी यानी ANO बनाया जाता है। इनके अगले प्रमोशन के लिए इसी अकादमी में साल में 3 रिफ्रेशर कोर्स चलाए जाते हैं, जिसमें उत्तीर्ण होने के बाद ये कप्तान अथवा सेकंड अफसर के पद पर पदोन्नत हो जाते हैं।
The National Cadet Corps Officers Training Academy is India's unique training institution where teachers and professors from schools and colleges are given rigorous military training and given commission as Associate NCC Officers or ANOs. For their next promotion, 3 refresher courses are run yearly in National Cadet Corps Officers Training Academy. After promotion, they are granted the rank of Captain and Second Officer. Let us now introduce you to the parade, which has turned in Prakash Mandal of West Bengal and Sikkim Directorate. Next to number 1 platoon is number 2 platoon of Junior Division. The 3rd platoon is of Senior Division, being commanded by Lieutenant Vivek Anil Bale of Maharashtra Directorate. Number 4 platoon is of Senior Division, being commanded by Officer Cadet Shahjad Ali of Gujarat Directorate. Next to number 4 platoon is number 5 platoon, which is of Senior Division, commanded by Officer Cadet Ranjit Kumar of Karnataka and Goa Directorate. Number 6 platoon of Junior Division, commanded by 3rd Officer Wasim Bari of Jammu and Kashmir Directorate. Number 7 platoon of Junior Division, commanded by 3rd Officer Jay Chandra Babu of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana Directorate. Number 8 platoon of Junior Division, commanded by 3rd Officer Vipul Singh of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. On your extreme right, the second in command of the parade is Lieutenant Birender Singh of Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. The commander of today's parade is Lieutenant Sandeep Kumar of Rajasthan Directorate. In the center of the parade, towards the rear, in vibrant, colorful attire, playing rousing martial tunes, is the AFC Regimental Center Band led by Naib Subdar Saru Nanded. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, Brigadier Harmeet Singh Sidhu Shaurya Chakra is a second generation Sapper officer and alumni of National Defence Academy. He was commissioned into the 64th Assault Engineer Regiment on 15th January 2020. The officer has been company commander in Rashtriya Rifles, where he was awarded Shaurya Chakra. He has commanded Independent Engineer Squadron as a part of Independent Armored Brigade, where he was awarded GOC-INC Commendation Card. He has commanded 64 Assault Engineer Regiment and was a brigade commander of 416 Engineer Brigade. The officer has done all his military courses, including the Staff Course and the High Command Course. He has delineated staff appointments of GSO-1 operations and Colonel GS training area of a corps in Eastern Command. He was also Colonel GS Combat Engineer in Western Command and Colonel GS ASEC in Army Headquarters. The officer has also been an Instructor Class B at College of Military Engineering, Pune. The officer was awarded GOC-INC Commendation Card while denoting the appointment of GSO-1 operations. Apart from this, the officer has taken part in Himalayan Car Rally as a part of Army team. He is an avid runner and a fitness enthusiast. He regularly takes part in half marathons all over the country. This prestigious national institution, let us take a look at the rich history of the Academy. National Cadet Corps Officers Training School was established on 1st March 1957. Deputy Defence Minister on 6th May 1957. In March 1979, National Cadet Corps Training Academy at Purandar was merged with the school. The school was redesignated as National Cadet Corps Officers Training Academy in November 2002. The Academy celebrated its 60 glorious years of yeoman service to the nation on 1st March 2017.
अब चंद एक शब्द अकादमी के वीरों के बारे में। इस ड्रिल स्क्वायर के द्वार का नाम मेजर पी श्याम सुंदर के सम्मान में रखा गया है। मेजर पी श्याम सुंदर 10 मद्रास बटालियन के अफसर थे, जिन्होंने 5 मार्च 2006 को आतंकवादियों से लोहा लेते हुए सर्वोच्च बलिदान दिया। इस अकादमी के ड्रिल स्क्वायर का नाम नायब सूबेदार चुन्नी लाल अशोक चक्र, वीर चक्र, सेना मेडल के सम्मान में रखा गया है। नायब सूबेदार चुन्नी लाल 8 जम्मू कश्मीर लाइट इन्फेंट्री बटालियन से थे। स्वतंत्रता के पश्चात भारतीय सेना के